Here we are in rural Japan. I actually enjoy driving on these sort of roads with rice fields and mountains. It's kind of like your stereotypical image of Japan, or at least my image of Japan, because I didn't really want to go to Tokyo, so yeah, I enjoyed this. It's actually been quite a while since I've traveled, and I forgot how much of a great feeling it is, a good freeing feeling to just kind of go somewhere. At my last job, we didn't get any holidays really, because in Japan they're not required to give you the national holidays, so I hadn't had time to travel or really money to travel, but yeah, I kind of miss this. I miss driving and seeing new things. There's an inspirational speaker called Jim Rohn who says, you know, there's a bunch of stuff that you don't know that's around you. You can go exploring for cheap if you just drive around, and yeah, you just see new things. And I don't know, it gets a romantic part of your brain churning. I don't know, it just feels nice. It's like 6 or 7 in the morning I started, 5:30 I woke up and packed the remainder of my things, and we're taking the surface roads because I actually don't have that much money. Yeah, I actually don't have that much money, so we're taking the surface roads and getting to the SR20 event, and we'll film when we get there, but yeah, we're just driving in the Honda Life. This is like one of those roads that reminds you of like Dirt Rally, like the original Dirt, driving in Japan. Oh my god, that'd be so fun to hit this car or road up with like a rally car. If you mess up, you're in the lake though. You can see we're not even at the event yet. You can hear cars going off, but it's just so many Sylvia. I don't think I've seen so many Sylvias in my entire life. A lot of S15s from what it looks like. It's a nice 180 right there. And right now we're just doing some like lazy vlogging. Maybe we'll get some cool shots of the actual events cars. But these are just like the people showing up to SR Heritage. And we're at Fuji Speedway. Suck it, all you Gran Turismo nerds who want to be here, and people who play it on Assetto Corsa and Forza or whatever game you're playing. Fucking Roblox. I'm here IRL, bitches. now leaving Fuji Speedway. That was a lot of fun. I was getting pretty cynical about being in Japan, and well, I still kind of am a little cynical because it feels like nothing has gone my way, but maybe I just need to work harder. But yeah, so it's my second time at Fuji Speedway, and it's another drift event I went to, and I don't know, it was just a lot of fun. I was kind of reminded about one of the reasons I came to Japan, you know, this whole car thing.